In day 89, we are asked to find the first four non-zero terms of this Maclaurin series. So first of all, we have a Maclaurin series for cos of t. So let's go and write that down. Cos of t is equal to 1 minus t squared over 2 factorial plus t to the 4 over 4 factorial minus t to the 6 over 6 factorial plus t to the 8 over 8 factorial. And this goes on. And obviously I'm not going to write too many terms because we don't really need them. So now we can write our integral as follows. 1 minus, and we can insert this in place of cos of t. So in other words, what I'm saying is we take this and we put it in our integral. So we have 1 minus all of this. And then obviously we've got a dt in here. So now, if we distribute this negative, we'll notice that this will become, the first term here will become negative 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So that one will disappear, and that one will disappear too. And we'll be left with the integral from 0 to x, and this will become a positive. So we'll have t squared over 2 factorial minus, because this positive will become a negative, t to the 4 over 4 factorial plus t to the 6 over 6 factorial minus t to the 8 over 8 factorial, and this again all over t squared, and obviously again that continues. So if we carry on with this and we divide all these terms by t squared, what we're left with is 1 over 2 factorial, or just 1 over 2, minus, and this t to the 4 will become t squared, that's a minus by the way, over 4 factorial plus t to the 4, because t to the 6 over t to the 2 is t to the 4, the 6 factorial, minus t to the 6 now over 8 factorial. And then again, we have many more terms. But we've only asked for the first 4 non-zero terms, so this will suffice. Now we've got to do the integral. So 1 over 2 integrated is going to be 1 over 2t. This is going to be minus t cubed over 3 times by 4 factorial plus t to the 5 over 5 times by 6 factorial minus t to the 7 over 7 times 8 factorial plus all the rest of these terms, and then we go from 0 to x. So now all we're left to do is sub in for x. So we take out these 4 non-zero terms, and all of these t's are now substituted in. We substitute in x for all of these t's, so what we're left with is all of these x's now, and then minus all of these terms where we substitute in 0, where we substitute in 0 for t. So 0 in here becomes 0, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, and so on. They all become 0. So that's just minus 0. So our final answer is simply this.